this is what we're looking at today. It's going with the coil-on-plug upgrade because the ignition system of these things are totally unreliable. I'm not looking at building huge power with this car. I just want to make it really nice and make it really reliable. So everyone does the coil-on-plug conversion, and that's what we're doing today. Except I'm doing a little bit different because normally they use R35 coils. Today we're using Nissan 370z coils, which I haven't really seen too much on these coils, but the R35 coils, they are pretty expensive. They're probably like double the amount. The only issue is that with these brackets, these coils don't fit perfectly. The mounting hole, I guess you can say, it's not straight dead on. In R35 it's straight dead on and it's a little further out. The kit comes with some of these spacers here that you end up using right here. You can make it fit if you just can make it crooked, but I don't want the whole thing crooked. Alright, so check this out. I can live with this. It's a lot straighter. It's a lot flatter. It looks good. You really can't tell that I actually had to do. And it doesn't actually look that bad. You can get a little piece of sandpaper and smooth out the hole a little bit, but it actually is pretty smooth. But you can see actually how much I actually took off. It just isn't right in there. Let's need to do it to the rest of them and it'll be good to go. And this is the wiring specialties harness that you have to get that deletes the igniter here. Another thing that you need to know is that the stalks on the 370Z are too long, that you're going to have to get some R35 ones. Yeah, so the bracket itself, it just bolts on with these 3 spacers, these Allen bolts here, okay? And it's pretty simple. There you go, brackets in. Looks pretty clean. I like how this is recessed and stuff, doesn't stick up or anything. 370Z factory coil with the R35 stock on it. Push it down in there. All right, and that's gonna fit perfect. All right, and so here's just the stock coil. You can see how much of a difference in height it's gonna actually be. So that's about the installed height there. And this is gonna work out good. I like how all these are labeled. It's pretty nice. All right, there we go. Installed. That looks really good. I'll probably tuck all this away later. All right, let's see if this thing starts up. Hope it does.